primary school intern teachers are earning 13,000 Kenya shillings minus deductions of around 2,000 Kenya shillings, which equals to 11,000 Kenya shillings. While the junior secondary school interns are earning 17,000 Kenya shillings. The Board of Management teachers are earning between 15 to 20,000 Kenya shillings. The government keep on boasting that they've employed over 50,000, some are even saying over 100,000 teachers in this country. Why is the president playing with the minds of Kenyans in this nation? Number one, the junior secondary school interns should be confirmed as permanent and pensionable teachers, should be paid their rightful amounts. You cannot pay a teacher 17,000 Kenya shillings. What will you do with 17,000 Kenya shillings? You have other kids you are taking to school, you need to pay your rent, you need to buy food, you need to take other children to school and pay for them from high school to university, and you need to invest also for the future of these children. What amount of money will you be left with? Will you even educate all your children? So teachers are suffering in this nation. Ruto should move with speed to confirm these teachers, the interns, to be employed on a permanent basis, permanent and pensionable basis. This is a country where people are joking a lot. You want to renew the teachers who are already interns, you want to renew their contract as being interns again. When will they get to be promoted? When will they get to be sure of their future? The future of this nation is very opaque under the leadership of the Kenya Kwanza government, William Samoei Ruto. You are a failure. You failed this nation. Teachers' salaries across the nation should be increased. The minimum amount of money a teacher in primary school, lower primary school, lower grades should earn is 50,000 Kenya shillings to a maximum of over 500,000 Kenya shillings. A teacher in junior secondary school should earn a minimum of 200,000 Kenya shillings to a maximum of between 500 to a million Kenya shillings. A teacher in high school should earn over 300,000 Kenya shillings to a maximum of between 1 million to 2 million Kenya shillings. A lecturer at the university should earn a minimum of 500,000 Kenya shillings to a maximum between 2 million to 3 million Kenya shillings. But in our situation, the money that we borrow, we pilfer it, we defraud it, we misappropriate it, we mismanage it. Therefore, as a nation, we need to know our priorities. Why are we leading this nation in a way that Kenyans don't deserve? Why are you punishing Kenyans? Ruto, you campaigned and you are very sure that you will deliver on your manifesto. Instead, you are now misrepresenting Kenyans instead of representing the interest of Kenyan citizens.